Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my friend's house. My friend is a very amazing builder, so I'm going to show you guys her house. So her house is this little donut cafe, so let's go in. So over here we have this counter. It's not fully decorated, but it's really pretty. And over here are the rooms, the toilet, a piano, and this little bedroom. So let's go upstairs where the whole cafe is here. So they are like, they're twins or something. So this is the little cafe called Sweetheart. So over here is 3 scoops, $10, 2 scoops is $6, and 1 scoop is $3. Chocolate. I'm going to pay her $3. $3. Okay, I paid her now. So this cafe is really cool. So over here is this little place area. Lollipop. So guys, the lollipop makes you run faster. It's really cool. I know I'm Asian. I'm gonna pay her $50. Let's pay her $50. Okay, paid her $50, guys. So that, is this a glitch house? She has a glitch house, guys. Cool. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!